Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 27, 10:51 America New York, Sherwin-Williams cuts profit guidance as demand wanes. The company said demand deteriorated faster than expected in Europe and hasn't recovered in China.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 27, 10:50 America New York, Shopify didn't deliver. Even after Shopify's big bet on post-pandemic e-commerce failed, Wall Street seems willing to give it another shot, on sale, with its acquisition in May of fulfillment company Deliverr Inc. in mind.
New York Times Business.
July 27, 10:41 America New York, Bangladesh seeks I.M.F loan as inflation rocks South Asia. As trade deficits widen, governments in the region struggle to import increasingly expensive diesel, gasoline and cooking gas. A street market in Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Wall Street Journal Markets. July 27, 10:31 America New York, Microsoft's future outweighs its present. The software giant's growth slows after strong run, but a firming double-digit target brings relief.
Global economy.
July 27, 10:21 America New York. How bad will the global food crisis get? Food commodity prices are falling, but experts say global production and hunger rates might be even worse in 2023.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 27, 10 o'clock America New York, 2 HIV patients appear to have beaten virus, offering hope for cure. A 66-year-old man and a woman in her 70s appear to have beaten their HIV infections, offering hope and clues to researchers searching for a cure for the virus that causes AIDS.
Global economy.
July 27, 9:51 America New York. The euro's drama is not an existential crisis. The currency has become more resilient with every trauma it survived.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 27, 9:35 America New York. Reckitt is left holding the baby, happily for now. An infant formula shortage in the U.S. may complicate Reckitt's plans to sell its baby food brands. Fortunately, business is booming. Daily FX Market News.
July 27, 9:33 America New York. DAX 40 gains as U.S. tech stock earnings soothe investor fears as the Fed takes center stage. The index continues to struggle for direction as investors look to the Fed meeting for direction.
New York Times Business.
July 27, 9:17 America New York, Boeing reports drop in profit but sees momentum for turnaround. The company said it was close to restarting deliveries of its 787 Dreamliner plane and was on track to end the year with positive cash flow. During the second quarter, Boeing reached its goal of increasing production of the 737 MAX, its flagship commercial plane.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 27, 9:13 America New York. Orders for big-ticket items rose in June. New orders for durable goods, products meant to last at least 3 years, rose 1.9% in June to a seasonally adjusted $272.6 billion.
Global economy.
July 27, 8:57 America New York, McDonald's raises price of 99p cheeseburger for first time in 14 years. Rising inflation forces fast food giant to add 20p to cost of signature burger in UK outlets.
New York Times Business.
July 27, 8:09 America New York, Big Tech and the Fed. Some tech companies' earnings are flagging, in what could be a positive sign for the Federal Reserve. Still big.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
July 27, 8 o'clock America New York, The Myth of the Marshall Plan. The first tranche of Marshall Plan funds helped West Germany reform its currency and jump-start a surprisingly rapid economic and political revival. Integral to the Marshall Plan was the Truman administration's elimination of German debt and reparations.
Daily FX Market News. July 27, 8 o'clock America New York. FTSE 100 triangle formation in play. The FTSE 100 has been on a bullish run since March 2020 low. It appreciated nearly 57% since the COVID-19 pandemic. A further appreciation is still in play based on the Elliott wave count it has FO. Daily FX Market News.
July 27, 7:40 America New York, sterling price outlook. Cable rises ahead of FOMC, EUR, GBP vulnerable. GBP, USD, EUR, GBP trade setups ahead of the FOMC rate decision and potentially crucial US Q2 GDP data. Euro pains continue with 20% gas flows via Nord Stream 1.
BBC News Business.
July 27, 7:02 America, New York. Gas prices soar as Russia cuts German supply. The Nord Stream 1 pipeline is now operating at just a fifth of its usual capacity.
BBC News Business.
July 27, 5:20 America, New York. McDonald's puts up price of cheeseburger for first time in 14 years. The fast food firm increases the price for the first time in 14 years due to growing cost pressures.